Good morning. Today you're going to learn how to access the online ebooks and audiobooks using the NEISD resources that have been made available to you to complete your summer reading. First, you'll go to the NEISD Johnson homepage at neisd.net/Johnson. Once at Johnson's homepage, if you scroll down, on the left-hand side, you'll see a tab that says CTJ Library. This will bring you to the library's homepage. Once you've reached the library's homepage, you'll see an icon for the application known as SORA, S-O-R-A. The SORA program replaced the old Overdrive program that the district had. Next, it's going to ask you to select your school. You're going to select Northeast Independent School District. It'll ask you to sign in using Northeast Independent School District. For my demonstration, it took me directly to the Northeast Independent School District access to SORA. However, for some of you, it may have taken you a page to sign into your Launchpad. I'm already signed into Launchpad, therefore it took me directly to its homepage. Then I'm able to use its search feature to select the book that I am looking for. One of the titles that's available for the 9th grade students to use is Secret Life of Bees. Once I've put in the title of my book, it brings up the options for me. It does appear that Secret Life of Bees is available for me to borrow. So I would be able to select it and borrow it as far as checkout. If your book is unavailable, you can continue to try other titles that are on your reading list till you can find a title that is available for you to use. Or you can expand your library option. By clicking on the menu bar in the upper right-hand corner, I see a function of Add a Public Library. By selecting Add a Public Library, I'll be able to extend the amount of titles that are available to me by connecting to the San Antonio Public Library. Notice I haven't even finished typing in my search and it's already brought up for me San Antonio Public Library. I select This is my library. Now that I have added San Antonio Public Library to my items, I'm able to continue searching for books. And again, I have been able to locate a title available to me for borrow or checkout. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on how to use NEISD's new online ebook and audiobook subscription known as SORA. Enjoy your summer reading.